Today we will make some different kind of chivda, coriander chivda. You can make so many versions of this chivda or spiced rice flakes. Ingredients for this are very finely chopped coriander, bit more in quantity. More the coriander, more the flavor. Obviously, it should be something proportionate. Then few pieces of green chili. I have little bit of ginger here, turmeric powder, hot red chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, whole dry seeds of coriander, salt to taste, little bit of sugar just to enhance the flavors. These rice flakes, I have roasted it. So let's start. I'm heating up the oil and making tadka or tempering for this chivda. Making that sound, typical hissing sound. So it's getting cooked. Add to it this chili. And the thing about this is, we are not supposed to keep this coriander and chili in this wet or soft condition. It should be crisp, because if chivda is crisp, then only it is fun to eat. If it is chewy, not good. Chivda has different ingredients. So many, whatever we cook, we have different ingredients. And every ingredient has kind of burning point, or for oils like boiling point, whatever. So we have to use proper sequence to add these things. If we add all these things together, what will happen? The things which are easy to burn will get brown, and other things, they will remain just like that, maybe uncooked. Here you can see this chili has changed the color. It has become bit whitish, and this coriander has become darker, little towards black side, but not too black. So I'm reducing the heat, and now I'm going to add little bit of coriander seeds just for the taste. Can you see it's just bouncing and spluttering? And I'm adding this grated ginger into it. Yeah, smelling so nice. Also, I'm adding this cumin and coriander powder. I'm not allowing it to burn, so I have to act very fast. Add a little bit of turmeric, and goes our pre-roasted crisp rice flakes. That's it. So it is still on low heat. Now it is getting mixed, so I can increase the heat. So I'm mixing this masala with this rice flakes slowly and gently, so that flakes remain as it is in its original form. Now only last thing remains. See, I'm tossing, it's perfectly done. You can see coating and everything is done. I'm not even touching, but this tossing is so nice. And as usual, little bit of salt to taste, and finally touch of sugar. Just to coat that sugar, I have increased this flame a little bit, so that sugar will not remain as a particles. It will coat it properly. So our coriander chivda is ready.